You not fi be my friend, no. Me not fi be your friend. You not buy me food. You not take care of my kids them.
Good morning world. Good morning everybody. Cleo, you see you? You just I'm come on the road come meet you so early in the morning. You see me on bed nice. Do No guys, I need to get up, get myself ready, and go and meet Cleo on the road. Just wake up in a John. I'm going to eat some food. I know some have foodie. Eat some food, then get ready and leave. Early morning treadings. I don't know. Still want to sleep. Okay, I see you. That's trouble, you know. I get ready now before she call and start cuss. Come like and clear cuss, you know. I'm saying, yeah, man. I'm saying clear early morning cussing them, no normal, all this year. I get ready now, you guys. So I'll catch you guys in a few. Yes, guys, I'm finally ready. I'm here waiting on a taxi to go to Alpha Tree. I know y'all have this one friend who be like, I'm almost near, and she's not near. So I'll talk to you guys when I reach Alpha Tree. So, yeah. Just need to buy lunch. I shall be working in the next 45 minutes. Can I tell them hi?
Like a stinking people don't know I give my damn party.
She love a party? I just said about me love party. So yeah. Yeah, it's clear it's ready to go to work. I may get ready now to go home.
Hi guys, what's up? Sorry, you can't have my bag on my mouth full of patty crystal.
Now I'm drink some juice and a taste.
Okay. My way to 1 hour from Peter here.
She lie?
I call the girl and I say which part you reach. She said I don't want taxi. She lie. Them tell me they're Alpha Tree and I'm frustrated, I'm sick. And the girl I'm out here for 1 hour. 1 hour and people. Oh, I'm tired. But now I give 150,000 so I can start my business.
She too lie because when she called me, she never reached nowhere.
You guys like my test glasses?
Pretty hair going. You guys see her try?
I suggested that hairstyle to her. Well guys, I got to go and catch that bus. You checking out my shirt right now? Good? Good? Changing. You see? You see? I have a teacher of a shopping of people. One time I buy one mango and a mango taste. Good enough. Some and a mango.
How much you buying? Anyways, you guys, we just can't clear out our bus park. Yeah.
Come here, gas station.
Yeah, the gas station. Bye. So, there I go now. Yeah. As I just bought some guinea and I'm in Mandela Park walking to my taxi stand. So, catch you guys when I reach them, eh? guys, this is a strawberry. It's good. It's refreshing. You guys, the circus. It's not finished as yet. But let's buy something to drink. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and if you're new, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye bye.